Canberra isn't just Australia's capital. It's a city brimming with history, culture, adventure, and surprises at every corner. With its unique blend of nature and innovation, this city offers experiences you'll find nowhere else. Get ready for 24 incredible attractions, from the iconic to the unexpected, with a twist at the end that might just blow your mind. Australian War Memorial. This is more than a memorial. It's a deeply moving journey through Australia's military history. Inside, explore immersive exhibits showcasing everything from World War I trenches to the stories of modern soldiers. Don't miss the Hall of Memory, with its breathtaking mosaic dome and the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier. The last post-ceremony at sunset is a heart-stopping tribute to the fallen. Lake Burley Griffin. This shimmering lake is the heartbeat of Canberra, offering activities for everyone. Walk or cycle its 40-kilometer loop, or get on the water with kayaks, paddleboards, or the quirky go-boats. For a unique perspective, watch the Captain Cook Memorial Jet Firewater 147 meters into the sky. Mount Ainslie Lookout. Offering panoramic views of Canberra, this lookout is perfect for appreciating the city's design. You'll see how the War Memorial aligns perfectly with Parliament House, framed by a backdrop of rugged mountains. It's an ideal spot for sunrise or sunset, and a favorite for photographers. Parliament House. Politics meets art and architecture at this stunning building. Take a guided tour to uncover its secrets, explore the marble-clad chambers, or walk on the grass-covered rooftop for a unique view. You can even sit in on live debates when Parliament is in session. National Gallery of Australia. This gallery is home to over 166,000 works of art, from ancient Aboriginal bark paintings to bold modern installations. Don't miss the famed Blue Poles by Jackson Pollock or the Tranquil Sculpture Garden, where art meets nature. Questacon, the National Science and Technology Centre. Science becomes an adventure here with over 200 interactive exhibits. Test your reflexes, experience a simulated earthquake, or plunge down the 6-meter freefall slide. It's an exciting way to learn, no matter your age. The National Zoo and Aquarium. Get closer to wildlife than ever before at this combined zoo and aquarium. You can hand-feed a giraffe, pat a cheetah, or even stay overnight in luxury lodges surrounded by animals. Inside the aquarium, marvel at sharks, rays, and vibrant coral reefs. National Museum of Australia. Bold and thought-provoking, this museum delves into Australia's identity through its rich history and culture. Highlights include the heart of Far Lap, the iconic racehorse, and fascinating exhibits on Indigenous cultures. Its building, with its striking design and waterfront location, is a masterpiece in itself. Floriade Festival. Every spring, Canberra bursts into color with this iconic flower festival. Millions of blooms create stunning displays, complemented by live music, markets, and family-friendly activities. At night, the festival transforms into Floriade Night Fest, with illuminated gardens and vibrant performances. The Arboretum. Once the site of bushfires, this space has been transformed into a futuristic forest with over 100 rare tree species. Walk among towering pines, relax at the bonsai garden, or let the kids loose at the whimsical pod playground. The views from the visitor center are simply stunning. Old bus depot markets. Every Sunday, this former bus depot becomes a bustling hub for crafts, food, and fashion. You'll find handmade jewelry, gourmet treats, vintage clothes, and more. Be sure to stop by the food stalls for international dishes and freshly baked goods. The Royal Australian Mint. Dive into the fascinating world of coin making at this combined experience. Watch as coins are minted, see rare and historic currencies, and marvel at Titan, the robot tirelessly stamping coins. The Royal Mint's engaging exhibits bring currency history to life for all ages. Canberra Deep Space Communication Complex. Discover the wonders of space at the Canberra Deep Space Communication Complex, a NASA-affiliated center that played a pivotal role in the Apollo missions. Marvel at the massive satellite dishes that communicate with spacecraft millions of kilometers away. Uncover Australia's contributions to space exploration and delve into interactive exhibits that bring the history and future of space to life, all for free. Tidbinbilla Nature Reserve. Just 20 minutes from Canberra Deep Space Communication Complex is Tidbinbilla Nature Reserve. This reserve is a haven for wildlife. Spot kangaroos grazing in open fields, catch koalas lazing in the trees, and stroll along trails lined with ancient ferns. For a deeper experience, take a guided walk to learn about the region's Aboriginal heritage. Kingston Foreshore. Canberra's trendiest waterfront area is a hub for dining, nightlife, and relaxation. Grab brunch at a cozy cafe, enjoy a cocktail by the lake, or stroll along the scenic boardwalk. It's a perfect spot for people watching or unwinding with friends. Namadgi National Park. This UNESCO-listed park offers rugged beauty just an hour from the city. Hike to granite tours for sweeping views. Explore rock art sites dating back thousands of years, or camp under star-filled skies. It's a true escape into nature. Hot air ballooning. Float above Canberra's iconic landmarks in a hot air balloon. Drift gently over Parliament House, Lake Burley Griffin, and lush green spaces as the city awakens. It's a serene and unforgettable way to see the capital from above. The National Library of Australia. Home to over 10 million items, this library is a treasure trove of knowledge. Explore rare books, historic maps, and exhibitions showcasing Australia's literary heritage. The building's elegant design adds to its charm. Cockington Green Gardens. Step into a tiny world at this enchanting attraction. Discover miniature versions of iconic landmarks from around the globe, complete with tiny figurines and meticulously crafted landscapes. Hop on the miniature steam train for a ride around this whimsical park. Molonglo Gorge. For an off-the-beaten-path adventure, trek through this dramatic gorge. With sheer cliffs, cascading water, and peaceful picnic spots, it's a natural haven that feels worlds away from city life. Canberra Glassworks. Watch master glassmakers transform molten glass into stunning art pieces. For an unforgettable experience, take a workshop and create your own glass masterpiece. It's art you can feel and hold. Lanyon Homestead. Step into colonial history at this beautifully preserved estate. Tour the historic house, enjoy the manicured gardens, and learn about life in the 19th century. The on-site cafe is perfect for a peaceful lunch. Black Mountain Tower, Telstra Tower. For 360-degree views of Canberra, head up this iconic tower. The observation deck offers unbeatable vistas, and the revolving restaurant provides a unique dining experience with scenery that constantly changes. Now, the twist you've been waiting for, Nerang Pool Gardens. Hidden in the heart of the city, this serene oasis combines lush greenery with reflective water gardens. It's a tranquil escape where you can relax, take in beautiful landscaping, and snap incredible photos, an unexpected gem that truly sets Canberra apart. Canberra is a city that offers so much more than meets the eye. From fascinating museums to stunning natural landscapes, every corner has something new to discover. Whether you're crafting your own glass artwork, exploring the wonders of space, or floating above the city in a balloon, the adventures here are as diverse as they are unforgettable.